Hi everyone, it's Maria from UNR Extension Partners in Parenting. Today I have two fun activities for this fall. We will be using apples for this fun activity, like I have here, all these different colorful, beautiful apples. Apples are so yummy. We can use them in so many ways. For example, for apple pies, applesauce, apple cider, apple juice, in so many ways, like I said. Okay, everyone. So for the first activity, which will be the apple name stamping, you will need white construction paper, an apple, and for this case, you could use old apples that you are getting ready to throw away. Instead of throwing them away, you could use them for the stamping, which you will be cutting them in half like this. You'll need some paint. I have for today, I have red. I have some green, and I have some black. You could use whatever colors you want to use. That will be for the first activity, which will be the apple name stamping. Okay, everyone. So for the first activity, we're gonna be using the apple that we cut in half. This is a good time for your little ones to practice fine motor skills by using their little hands, using the apple. First of all, you're gonna grab the apple and have them dip it in whatever color they're gonna use for their stamping. Make sure they get the paint in all the apple. So I'm gonna do 5 stamps for my name. I'm gonna do one here. There's another one. And if you want it a little bit more darker, of course, dip it inside again. Well, if you have a very long name, you're gonna need a double paper. Okay, guys, and I am done with my stamping. As you can see, here's my name. So I'm done with my apples, and then I put some green for the little stems. Then my name, the letters of my name. This is a great time also, parents, to explain to our little ones that apples have parts like the stem, the inside of the apple, like the seeds, and just like us, that we have hands, we have a head, legs. Okay, everyone, as you can see, my name stamping is already dried up, and I already labeled on the bottom all the apples, the different kind of apples that I will be using on my 5 senses activity, which is the Red Delicious apple, Pink Lady, the Granny Smith, the Fuji, Gala, and Golden Delicious. And as you can see, I already have all my apples already here washed and cut. For this, you want to make sure that you wash them really good before you cut them up from any germs, any dirt, any debris that they could possibly have. Okay, parents, and for this activity, we will be using the 5 senses, which is the eyes, remember, to see. So they could look at the apples before you cut them, and for them to feel with the touch. So look at them to see the different colors, touch. And then 3 is the smell, the nose. So you want to smell each of them to see how they smell, to see if you like them, which I'm sure you will. They taste all so yummy. And then number 4 is the taste. You want to taste them, each one of them, and see which one, how they all taste, if they're sour, if they are tart, if they are sweet or bland. And also when you're trying them, when you're tasting them, if you hear some crunchy or they're mushy, so you want to try each one of them to see how they feel in your mouth. If they're crunchy or mushy, if they're sour, tart, sweet. Okay, so that will be the five senses. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a great time doing these activities at home. Also enjoying each kind of apple that you will be tasting. Also, you could be reading a book about apples. There are so many books about apples, the parts of an apple. So you could be reading a book while you are also enjoying your apples. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.